They don't even know me yet, but it's like a mystery shop.
But they do know their employee, and it's like, what? Okay, all right.
So
Okay,
I have shown good faith. I gave the gift, and also your gatekeeper gave me the pass to pitch. So initially, I'm already starting off with at least a minute's worth of free play. And so I can properly introduce myself. I can set the pace and make the call. And then when I'm done, I'll do it in writing. I'll do a follow-up thank you email. And I'll also mention how amazing this individual was that assisted me. So when I call your company back, your home back, or wherever you're calling, the Richard Circle is complete. That individual thanked me for complimenting them after all the years they've been working there. Add momentum to my call, give me more company or family culture or information. Little goodies that will assist you in moving that ball further down the way. And these are things that won't compromise your ethics, values, or morals. All I'm doing is thanking those individuals, paying it forward for those amazing first impression people that answer your phone and stand at your gates. And so for me, those have been the people that have gotten me the first class plane ticket, the biggest lobster tail at the restaurant, or even that table when they've been packed for Mother's Day. You're nice to the maitre d', you're nice to the chef, you're nice to the waitresses. And once they start getting promoted, they don't forget about you.
Yeah.
And you're the ones that wrote to their supervisors on those comments, cards, on how amazing they were. And so these are the sort of simple things in your bedside manner, Daniel, that can give you that much more enriched relationship with your clients.
Yeah. Dang, that's good. That's good. I got, a ton of questions.